Welcome, everyone is a Honor 7A, and today I'll show you how to add a fingerprint to your device so you have a different way of unlocking it. So to get started, you want to open up your settings. From here, scroll down to security and privacy, and then you'll find fingerprint ID. Tap on it, just disregard the battery. Then you have fingerprint management. And before you can actually add any fingerprint, you will need to set up a different way of unlocking the device. So by default, it's set to PIN, but you can tap on change unlock method and set something like a pattern, for instance. Draw the pattern, redraw the pattern, and tap on done. So once you have a different way of unlocking the device, you can proceed to actually add a fingerprint. Now keep in mind that if you already had a different way of unlocking the device, this screen would never pop up for you, but because I didn't, it showed up. And from there you want to start tapping your finger on the back sensor, so right here. Tap on it, get a good read from basically all around your finger. And once it's done, you'll see you can tap on OK. You can also rename it so you can later on distinguish which finger is which, if you want to remove it or enroll it better, something like that. But for this will suffice, so you can leave it. And now you'll see that there are two ways of unlocking. So you have the pattern, or you have the finger in the back, like so. So that is how you would add a fingerprint to your device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.